Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to make a delicious egg club sandwich at home using an easy method. We'll start by gathering our fresh ingredients, then move on to preparing the eggs and bacon. Next, I'll guide you through assembling the layers, ensuring a perfect balance of flavors and textures. Finally, we'll cover how to slice and serve your homemade masterpiece for a satisfying meal. Now, let's get cooking. For the eggs, you can scramble 3 of them or fry them sunny side up, whichever you prefer. Make sure they're cooked just right. Then, in a separate pan, fry about 4 strips of bacon until they're wonderfully crispy. Don't forget to season both the eggs and bacon with a pinch of salt and pepper to enhance their natural flavors. It's time to build our amazing sandwich. Take 3 slices of your perfectly toasted bread and spread a thin layer of mayonnaise on one side of each. On your first slice, arrange fresh lettuce, a slice of ripe tomato, your cooked eggs, and crispy bacon. Place a second slice of bread on top, then repeat the same delicious layers of fillings. Almost there. To keep everything together, insert 2 toothpicks through the sandwich before you slice it. This makes it much easier to handle. Carefully cut the sandwich into 4 neat triangles, creating that classic club sandwich look. Serve your homemade egg club sandwich immediately with a side of chips, a fresh salad, or whatever you fancy. Enjoy your delicious creation.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.